Essential makeup essentials for every collection. Top 5 makeup essentials. Hey, beauty enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of makeup essentials. Whether you're a makeup newbie or an experienced professional, these 5 essentials are the foundation of any killer makeup collection. So let's get started. 1. Foundation shell. First, we have the foundation of your entire look. It's crucial to find a shade that matches your skin tone perfectly. For those with oily skin, opt for a matte finish, while those with dry skin may opt for a dewy formula. My personal recommendation is the XYZ foundation, for its wide range of shades and long-lasting formula. 2. The mascara shell. Then we cannot forget about mascara, the magic wand for your eyelashes. A good mascara adds instant drama to your eyes. Look for one that provides volume and length. I'm loving this ABC mascara, because it gives me that fake lash effect without sticking. 3. Lipstick. Now, let's talk about lips. The lipstick is like the final touch that unites your entire look. From bold reds to subtle nudes, choose shades that match your style and skin tone. I am a fan of the Def lipstick range for its creamy texture and amazing color payment. 4. Product of the eyebrows. Don't underestimate the power of your eyebrows. They frame your face and add definition. Depending on your preference, you can use an eyebrow pencil, powder, or gel. I swear by the GH eyebrow pencil, it is precise and gives a natural look. 5. Blush or bronzer. Last but not least, let's add some dimension to your face. Blush and bronzer are your favorite products for a healthy, sunny glow. Choose shades that complement your skin tone. My favorite is JKL Blush and Bronzer Duo. It's versatile and combines like a dream. There it is, our 5 makeup essentials. These essential items are the building blocks of flawless makeup. Remember, it's all about finding what works for you and enhances your natural beauty. Feel free to mix and match to create endless stunning looks. If you liked this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more beauty tips and tutorials. Until next time, stay beautiful.